Hello everyone, welcome to Maxwell seed principle. We start from 0 up to where the second arrow, the top arrow, has ended.
Still I take up space, cause I got God that pays the way. I'm the one who holds my story. I decide what it all meant. Every scar on my skin.
Welcome everyone to today's class. Today I want to look at adding integers using a number line. So when we are adding using a number line, there are actually like 3 things that you must know. Number 1, the positive on an integer represents movement to the positive or forward movement. If there is a negative on an integer like this one, that one represents the movement to the negative side, or sometimes we call it you're moving backwards. Our third thing that you must note, the positive in the middle of the 2 integers tells you to continue from where the first arrow stopped or where the first arrow ends. The word ends is the same as stops. Now, those are the 3 important things that one must take note of if you're going to add using a number line. The last one is knowing how to draw the answer arrow. How do you draw the answer arrow when you're adding using the number line? Now, since we are adding, I'll give you this simple trick so that you remember 1 to 2. For us to draw the answer arrow, which is most of the times the bottom arrow, we draw from where the first arrow starts up to where the second arrow ends. I repeat that because that's the most important part. When we are drawing the answer arrow, we draw from where the first arrow starts up to where the second arrow ends. Our second example, positive 3 plus negative 7. Now, when you're drawing the number line, leave some space on top because there are going to be 2 arrows at the top and 1 arrow at the bottom. Let's add that using a number line. In our question, the first number is positive 3. So we go to 0 and move 3 steps to the positive. So this is 1, 2, 3, which takes us to positive 3. Label it. The middle sign, the middle positive, tells us to continue from where we have stopped. I told you go to where the head is and count or move 7 steps to the negative. We say the negative is your left. So we are counting 7 steps this time to the left, starting from where we have stopped. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, which brings us to negative 4. So since we are coming from this side to the left, direction must be to the negative. Then lastly, to draw the answer arrow, remember we said 1 to 2, from where the first one starts up to where the second one ends. This is our first arrow, and this is our second arrow. We start from 0 up to where the second arrow, the top arrow, has ended. Now we label. Let's count the steps for the answer arrow. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it is 4, but the arrow is facing negative, so you put negative. So that one is negative, negative 4. Let's give you some numbers for you to try to help you master the concept. Is positive 7 plus negative 2. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.